This is a $5,800 bookshelf, and honestly, I didn't get it at first. I've built shelves before, nothing high-end, but enough that I thought I had a handle on it. Then I saw this one. There's nothing flashy about it, no crazy grain, no complicated shapes or joinery. It's just simple, which somehow made it harder to understand. That's what stuck with me. If this thing costs $5,800, what am I missing?
Oh, that's not good. That is not good. This happens when wood is dried really quickly in a kiln. As you see this side, there wasn't really cracks. I saw some on the edges, a little bit on this side, but. So basically one of the solutions is to pour epoxy all in this, but I don't know that I want a shelf that looks like this with epoxy in it. I'm really kind of stuck here. Not bad though, clean cut. This is a center finder little jig. Lock it into place and you push down on the pencil.
You could build something out that looks like this pretty fast. But the more time I spent on it, the more I realized that's kind of besides the point. The fit matters more than I expected. Not just whether it holds together, but how it comes together. The way a joint fits when it's right.
Dude, so much better.
Oh, fantastic. That's not square. It's not like the end of the world. I just got to run it through the joiner.
You start noticing things you normally blow past. Edge details, where one surface meets another, stuff that's easy to half-ass when you're moving fast.
So your internal size, this has to be 9. So if this is 9, the inside, and this is 9, it should fit, right? But watch. So this should be able to close if that is the same. Something's not square, and I don't know what it's causing it.
I thought I was just building a shelf, but I think I'm starting to understand what actually matters. None of this is technically hard. It's just a lot of small decisions made carefully, one after another.
I think it'll be nice. Not exactly sure how I'm going to connect it. Catching on fire. Tomorrow's got to be sand and glue up, at least to this part, the walnut. I'm a little nervous, but I think we'll be okay. It's bouncing around. Also, I'm not centered. I'm nervous. For a second, I thought it was going to go all the way through.
At some point, this starts to feel different from what I usually make. Not better, necessarily, just more deliberate.
I underestimated the build on this shelf. This is an example of why it has so much value. This is a very complicated joinery system. You have a miter, you have multiple tenons going at different angles, and everything needs to be square and line up. This certainly made this build interesting. So we were doing the glue up and I was trying to get everything set up and I couldn't get one of the dominoes out to glue it up. It was jammed in there. And so now I'm having to drill it out with a little hand drill to get it out. It's been very challenging to get out. You'd think it would, with a pair of pliers, would come right out, but nope. But we'll be back to gluing up shortly.
This isn't a $5,800 bookshelf. I know that, but I get it more now why one could be. I used to think something like this cost so much because of the materials or the name on it, but I think it's the attention, the restraint, someone deciding the small stuff was worth getting right, even when no one would probably notice. I still don't know if it's worth $5,800, but I don't look at it the same way I did before. This is a Thomas Moser design. He spent a lifetime getting this kind of thing right, and I think this was me realizing how far there still is to go.